Hi there, welcome to another video in the Team Coaching Toolkit series. In this video we're going to look at the question of dangerous assumptions. Now the purpose of this tool is to help a team think about some of the peripheral issues that are going to affect your initiative or your project before you get too far engaged or committed to a particular course of action. So what's the theory? Well, one of the problems or the challenges that human beings face is we do tend to quite often suffer from optimism bias. And this is a mental habit or a way of thinking that is often fast thinking or intuitive, and it happens when we particularly want something to happen, and so therefore we ignore all the other peripheral information that might advise a more cautious approach. So how does it work in practice? Well, first of all, get your core team together, or as many people as are going to be involved in your project or initiative around a table, ideally before the project has started, and we're going to work through a series of 5 questions. Question 1. What has to go right for this project to succeed? Now understand, that's a very different question from what could go wrong. Question 2. What assumptions are we making about the client, stroke sponsor, stroke key stakeholders, and is there some other information that we might need before we press on? Question 3. How are we going to work together as a team? What assumptions are we making about our relationships, about how well we're going to work? Question 4, linked to that, how well do we think we'll work when we're under pressure? How resilient are we as a team? Then the final question, are we making any leaps of faith here? Now, leap of faith is when one really is ignoring all of the peripheral information and just working on the basis that if everything goes right, then it should be fine. So let's press on. So once you've got all this information together, then list it out, look at what the output is, and decide, can we just press on, or do we need to pause and get a few more ducks in a row first? So for more information on this and a number of other tools and techniques around building effective teams, check out my website, www.teamcoachingtoolkit.com. Bye for now.